In today's session, we talked about elephants. In yesterday's session, we talked about elephants as well. We had 4 things that we remembered: safari park, elephant gives birth, baby elephant is learning, baby does not have a name. Our sentences that we created were: last month, I visited a safari park in Singapore. One elephant gave birth to a baby elephant. The baby elephant is learning to eat adult food. The people haven't named the baby elephant. For those of you who are participating in this event, I will read as myself, and I have a student reading also. I will only read my part. Hello, Esticle. How are you today? We were talking yesterday about elephants. Today, we are talking about elephants again. So you have not forgotten the slang word ditto, I see. Yes, that is right. Now today, our topic is about another elephant. Yes, yesterday the elephants were being sung to by the people. And oh, that is so wonderful. I would be tickled pink to be one of the people to watch this teaching. So what does the mother do to teach the elephant to eat adult food? I think I understand. Yes, it is in Singapore. Really? So what is the name of the baby elephant? I think Tiny Baby is a good name. Esigo, can you tell me how these two articles are similar? I think one baby was being sung to. Ditto. Yes, maybe one day we can be one of the people invited to go on a safari. Last year, I was one of the people chosen to take pictures at a museum. No, none of the people chosen were paid. We were all volunteers. Ditto. No, I did not know this. So at the birth of an elephant, they're called calves? This does not seem to be too difficult. I would be tickled pink to watch this too. Okay, bye for now. Thank you for listening.